Welcome to Fun Learning with Anaya. Today we will start with typing. If you have a electronic with a keyboard around, grab it and you can begin with me. So first, we will start with, if you notice closely, F and J have bumps on them. Look. That is where you start the home row position I will be teaching today. So, we will start with learning them. So first, put your index fingers on the bumps or F and J, the F and J keys. Next, put your thumb on the space bar. Then we will put our middle fingers on D and K. Then sister fingers on S and L. Then pinky fingers on A and semicolon. And if you're not able to reach the words that include any other letters other than the letters I told you about, just move your hands technically like this. And once you've seen the link I will send when this video is completed, you can use those to learn just like I am. For example, I will write my name and grade. My name is Anaya. And I am in second grade. So if you follow my rules by the same typing position, you will be a fast, amazing, fantastically pro at type.